Say hi. Hi.
Continue 63 miles and
Hi.
99 south.
Who are you talking to?
We're on our way back to Old Bridge. This,
Vermont is awesome.
saan? Saan ba tayo galing, Catherine?
Vermont.
Vermont. Ano ginawa niyo sa Vermont?
Nag-ski, tapos kumain sa loob ng hotel,
Yeah.
and
Adrian, saan ka? Pakita ka naman. Say hi. Say hi, Philippines.
hi, Philippines.
Yan. Carla. Hi, Carla. Popost ko doon sa Facebook.
Hi!
Then, say hi.
Hi!
Okay. Yan.
Ako nagawan ko na lang ng Facebook si nanay. Tapos siya lang makakakita ng mga lugar. Wala siyang friend. Ano na yung open yung Facebook? Siya lang, mag-open. Gano'n na siya computer? Hindi, pag kila Ana.
Uy.
Ana. Nakita Ana mag-open. Oo, siya mag-open. Nakita lang rin natin. Kay nanay lang. Picture lang natin. Diba, nice idea? Wala siyang friend para hindi makita ng friend. Kasi yung friend niya, makikita rin ng friend niya. Wala dapat wala siyang friend. Diba kayo na sila?
There's Jason. Jason Molina. There's Jihan over there.
Makikita rin siya ng plastic.
This is me and Jason.
Hindi, kasi ano na lang.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Yes.
Ah, really? You're hungry, Coco?
Don't talk.
There's Adrian. He's hungry again.
As always.
This is his ate sandwich
Tapos sandwich.
since 7 o'clock this morning.
He fell 7 times when he was skiing.
Pwede ba to?
Oh.
Walang mayonnaise.
7 to 8 times. I didn't count that well. Yeah, I'm better.
What's
This is ham sandwich.
I'm better at playing.
Who likes ham sandwich?
I'm better. That's what you played my game?
You like ham?
But I'm hi.
Jason, ham sandwich you want?
Hi.
Alam ko nga, busog sila eh. Bakit sila?